How to find your account number in Gpay. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can find your account number in Gpay. So the very first thing is that the Gpay does not allow multiple accounts, so you can easily find the account number in Gpay. Just follow the following steps. Make sure you go on the Google Play Store and on the top search bar you can simply search for Google Pay and install it. Since it is not available on my region, I cannot install it. But if it is available on your region and you want to change it, you want to see the account number, then you can simply follow the following steps. Go on the Gpay application, and after you go on the Gpay application, on the top right side you will see there is a profile linked on it. Just like when we go on the Google Play Store as well, there will be a profile linked on the top right side, and when you open the profile picture on the top right side you will see there are many options and also the option of bank account right there. When you tap on the bank account option, you will now see that you must have also your valid card linked, and also the SIM card should be linked and registered as same on your bank. If you have done so, then you can simply tap on the bank account and see your account number right there. So yes, that's how you do it. Just try it and see if it works or not. So I hope this video helped you. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment in the comment section below.